From the moment we first imagined machines that could think, the journey of artificial intelligence and robotics has been nothing short of extraordinary. It all began with pioneers like Alan Turing, who laid the groundwork for what we now consider the foundation of AI. Turing's vision of a machine that could simulate human intelligence sparked a revolution that would take decades to unfold. Fast forward to the late 20th century, and we witnessed the rise of industrial robotics. Factories began to hum with the sounds of robotic arms, tirelessly assembling products with precision and speed that humans simply couldn't match. These machines transformed industries, driving efficiency and productivity to new heights. Yet, they also raised questions about the future of work and the role of humans in a rapidly automating world. Then came the 21st century, a pivotal moment when machine learning emerged as a game changer. Algorithms began to learn from data, improving their performance over time. This breakthrough led to advancements in natural language processing, computer vision, and much more. Suddenly, AI was no longer just a concept. It was becoming part of our daily lives. From virtual assistants that understand our commands to recommendation systems that know our preferences, AI started to weave itself into the fabric of society. But the fusion of AI and robotics is where things get truly fascinating. Imagine robots equipped with advanced AI, capable of navigating complex environments, making decisions, and even interacting with humans in meaningful ways. Industries like healthcare, agriculture, and logistics are already reaping the benefits. Surgical robots assist doctors with precision, drones monitor crops from above, and autonomous vehicles promise to revolutionize transportation. Yet, with great power comes great responsibility. The rise of AI and robotics brings ethical dilemmas that we must confront. Questions about privacy, bias in algorithms, and the potential for job displacement loom large. How do we ensure that these technologies are used for the greater good? How do we balance innovation with ethical considerations? These are challenges that society must tackle head-on. Looking ahead, the potential of AI and robotics is staggering. We stand on the brink of breakthroughs that could redefine our existence. Imagine smart cities where AI optimizes energy use, or robots that assist the elderly in their homes, enhancing their quality of life. The possibilities are endless, but they require careful thought and collaboration among technologists, ethicists, and policymakers. As we continue this journey, it's crucial to remain curious and engaged. The revolution of AI and robotics is not just about technology, it's about humanity. It's about how we choose to shape our future with these powerful tools. The story is still being written, and each of us has a role to play in determining the outcome.